Let's talk about safety. We have an A7 Tornado here, and we are going to talk about working around the A7 Tornado, maintaining it, setting it up. So the first thing that we're going to talk about is the safety equipment of the person that works around the sweeper or operating the sweeper for that matter. Okay, now you probably require the hard hat, safety glasses, a safety vest of course, and steel toe shoes. Different entities, different companies require more or less safety regulations, so therefore that can change at their discretion. Continuing with the safety of the A7 Tornado, eventually at some point in time is going to require some kind of inspection or repairs done underneath the hopper. So therefore we're going to deploy the safety prop of the hopper and put it safely into the slot on the frame of the sweeper. Another important point is that you should never power down the hopper, because you're going to cause a very serious damage to the sweeper frame. However, that is never going to happen if you have the keys with you, so nobody can actually accidentally start that. Another safety prop is here for the dump door on the A7 Tornado. Anytime the door is open and any kind of maintenance needs to be underneath the hopper, you can actually deploy the safety prop of the dump door, and that will actually keep you safe working under it. However, you should never power the door down when the safety prop is deployed. During maintenance, of course, it's going to be necessary to check to make sure that the fan is not wearing out abnormally. So you have to check the fan blades to make sure they are not wearing out abnormally. Now, you should never check the fan while the engine is running. However, the keys should be in your pocket, and that engine should never be on whenever you're doing those inspections. The other thing, of course, is if the engine is running, the fan has a tendency to suck things into it. So therefore, you do not need to be in front of it with any kind of loose clothing. This is a very serious warning sticker that you have to be aware of. It says, do not remove the hose with auxiliary engine running. Okay, this is actually the auxiliary hose. When the engine is running, the fan is actually blowing air down this way, and if there's any particles inside the fan housing, they could come out of this hose down to the sweeping head. So therefore, anytime that you're ready to take this hose out, the engine should never be running. Another safety point on the A7 Tornado is the belt guard. The belt guard covers the belt that drives the fan shaft and the fan from the engine. So therefore, that belt guard always needs to be there, and it always needs to be attached. If for some reason it's broke or detached from there, it needs to be replaced as soon as possible. It's a very, very hazardous concern. Always keep those safety concerns in mind anytime that you do inspection or maintenance or any kind of repairs on the A7 Tornado.